Hello and welcome to this webinar. Today we will be running through a demonstration of how to set up a phantom assembly. My name's Sophie and I'm part of the customer success team. I will be joined today by my colleague Phil, who will be carrying out the demonstration. So let's jump straight in.
To set up a phantom assembly, go into the stock maintenance menu, stock categories, and you can see here you've got phantom assembly. Click there and press F5, and here we can set one up. Press F4, give it a name and a description. I won't have a drawing, so just click OK. And now in here under the assembly, I can press F5, and now I can start putting in the parts that make up this phantom assembly. So we'll have bolts, and we'll have 10 of them. We'll have nuts, and we'll have 10 of them. We'll have our gear assembly, one of them, and we'll have our chain, one of them. So click OK on that. And this is set up my standard assembly. Now, the reason for doing this is because these parts are going to be for all my bikes, and so I don't really want to have to go through every single one of my bikes and put these on individually. But by creating this phantom assembly, what I can now do is go to my stock parts menu, go to my mountain bike, for example, go to my assembly where I've got these other bits. Now go into modify mode, and now what I can do here, I can choose PA for phantom assembly, F5 in there, and I can choose that. And so now I've got one of my standard. I just click OK on that. This will give me a chance of updating these. I won't do that at the moment. I'll just create a new works order. And now go to production, works order inquiry, and I can create a mountain bike. I'll do one of those for today. And now if I look at the components for this, you can see that it's put in all the parts from the phantom assembly into here. So I don't see the word standard anywhere, I see the parts. And that is how a phantom assembly works. One other option that is useful to know about, stock parts menu, stock parts maintenance. And if we go down and have a look at the assembly of my Olympic bike, and I can just go into the summary assembly, and it's got the racing bike there as an MA part. What you can do is, if you click on this here and choose treat it as phantom assembly on new works order, tick that there in modify mode, then click OK. This gives me a chance to update a couple of other works orders, but I won't do that, so you can see the difference. And now if I go to production, works order inquiry, and create a works order for an Olympic bike. Say we need one of those. And if we look at one of the previous Olympic bikes and click on View Components, you can see I've got the racing bike and the Olympic kit. If I go down to this new one where I've said that the racing bike should be treated as a phantom and look at View Components, you can see it's put all the components for it at this level. Just another feature that can be useful with phantom assemblies. I hope you found this useful. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you for listening today, and if you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out to your customer success manager. Please note, if you do have any future webinars that you'd like to see, we're always open to ideas and suggestions. So if it would be helpful for you for us to run through certain features or a demonstration, please reach out to your customer success manager and we can arrange that for you. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.